taste test challenge here from my daughter. We have beer number 2. Let's take the tag off of this SOB. It's not a superb Oriental beer, although it might be. So, let's get this sucker open once. Not too much hiss on that. This is a twist off, I just noticed, so that could be a
dead giveaway.
Smell it at the bottle. Oh, that's an interesting one. Very interesting one. Now she's pouring like a.
Boy, I don't know what she's pouring like.
I need my yeast. She poured like I'm trying to smell the bottle here. Man, it smells like a fruity beer of some sort. Give the. She's a clean finish in the bottom. Beer number 2, like I just said here. She's got a small head. Looks like an IPA. She's very dank. You can't see through it. She's cloudy, if that's the right term. Oh boy, she smells like a sour. That's all I can say up front. Is and I don't have too many sours, so I'm not really sure what we're getting here. Oh, it smells delicious. It's fruity. The aromas are coming out nice. Once again, a 1/4 inch of a head, not too much of a head. Oh, I think I've had this before. Someplace. Not sure where. Maybe a little pineapple, little mango. I gotta taste it to really know what's going on here. Lemon. Little lemon right off the bat. Lacing isn't all that great. It's a twist off. Of course, we're gonna find out the rule book is what these really are at the end. Can't pick out no hops. I'd almost say that's an attempt of a sour. They're nice beer.
Like a shanty.
Boy, it's a nice that probably comes from Shock Top. It's low on ABVs, I'll tell you that. I'll put it down as a 4.0. I'd rate this as a good summer beer. Boy. Lemony, very lemony. I'm going to call it a sour. Don't have too many of those. Or
Shanty.
Writing it down. And I'm going to rate it, man, I like it, I'll tell you that, I do like it. It could be a dead giveaway to...
It's a twist off.
It's a very light bottle, too. I did a lot of bottling. Labels have been removed. And I'm not going to cheat on these, I like that. That's a nice summer beer. I'll rate that as 1 out of 10. Again, I'll give this one about a good 8. As a summer beer, I'm going to write down a summer beer. A little wheat in there, lemony wheat. I wouldn't doubt this is one of those Shock Tops. I like the color, like I say, lemony. Not getting any hops. It's not that bitter. It's coming through nice. Actually, a little sweet, malty up front. A little sweetness. As in oh, the lemon just comes through like crazy. Little pineapple, slight pineapple maybe. So yeah, props to this one. I do like it. I can't wait to see the book on this. I'm going to write down Shock Top on here just in case I really get lucky. Shock Top.
Oh Holy mother of fuck.
What's going on out here, boys? Come here, boss.
How's it going? I gave him the message. Hey, it'll be all right. That corner.
You don't mind being on camera there, do you?
Oh, no.
This is a blood orange made at the Stoneyard Vineyards here.
I'm gluten free. I got gluten intolerance.
Oh, you can't have
I
it?
can't have it. He can have it, though.
Chris would have it. You gonna share it with your other buddy? Not too bad, eh? All right, I'm in the garage here, the shop here, putting up lights. I don't know why. I should pay an electrician to do this, but I don't know. The wife and I are out here. We're struggling, but we get it done. It'll be bright as an airport in here when we're all set and done here, I guess. So, let's get back to it, I guess. Okay, we're gonna try the blood orange here.
But Proust on this one.